out sa'yo, bro Ernesto. Shout out sa'yo. Bago ka ba, ha? Kailangan na yung chat mo.
4 minutes left. 4 minutes left in the game. Little shot. 58-56.
Dapat sa tao, tingin sa tao, sa bola, sa tao.
Plano naman, 58 all. Big boy fires it up. Dadalun po foul. Foul Estebayan, 13 foul. Loose ball foul on Estebayan, 13 foul. Yan si Estebayan. Third personal foul on Estebayan. 13 foul for the Dora. They take it! 5 seconds! Big boy, late enough. Lamang na uli sila. Paano talaman? 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Nakatayo na yung siya. Wow! Follow no dead. Time out. Sako. Kuya Buddy. Using their third timeout. Parehong dalawa na lang ang timeout. 2 timeouts each. Dalawang timeout ng Dora. Dalawang timeout ng Sako. Okay, second game natin. Timberwolves versus Milwaukee Bucks. Mag-prepare na. So, ako ng tira ni Estebayan. Ganda ng laban ah. 3 minutes left. 3-1-4. Alright. Nakakuha na ng talo. Rebound control by Dwayne. Binigay na kay Pareño. 3 minutes left. 1.8 by Sako. 3 minutes. Big boy puts the ball down. He lays it up. Yes, 2 points for Big boy. 62. 62-59. Two minutes, nearing the 2-minute mark. 64-59, Estebayan. What's the call? Wow. Foul number 42, Dueña, 13 foul for the Sako. Second personal foul on Dueña, 13 foul, go team, 13 foul. 2 minutes, nearing the 2-minute mark. Foul! May kasama pang foul. Counted, may kasama pang foul. Foul number 10, Dueña. Warning for penalty ang Sako. Tap. Alright, for Dennis Desales. 17, for the personal foul of Echebaya, warning for penalty na rin. Ang both teams warning for penalty. Ito na. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. 10 seconds. Last 2 minutes. 5 seconds. And a steal by Echebaya. Last 2 minutes. And a block. Pero hindi nila makontrol. Block. 16 to shoot, 16 to shoot. 16 to shoot. Shot clock, 16 seconds. Last 2 minutes, last 2 minutes. And there's a foul. Penalty na. Didn't foul. Foul number 28, Mikaya. Second personal foul of Mikaya. Penalty na. Bigay na ito ulit. Pagka-shoot. Pagka-shoot ng pangalawang tira. Pasok, 62. Pag na-shoot sa ba? Pag na-shoot sa... Wala. Rebound. By Sako. 2-point lead by Sako. 64-62. Ganda ng laban. 90 seconds left. And Mikaya has fired sila. Right back. Wala na daw. Tap. Wala na Tora. Tap. Bakit kasi nagsakit? Time out, Dora! Isa lang ang time out ng Dora. Dalawa pa sa Sako. Wala, good work na. All right, basketball game. 1 minute left. 8 seconds.
Pumabasahan sila dito.
One minute left. The rebound. 50 seconds. And backward fail. 51 seconds. 10 seconds. Rebound to throw within 20 seconds. Big boy. Shot down. And there's a foul with 28 seconds left. Penalty Dora. Both teams penalty. Both teams penalty. When the shut down, sabi ni ref ni Coach Kim, sabi ito sila, line sila. So, unang tira, 67. Second free throw. Alright, time out. Time out. Dora using the last time out. 14, yes, 14. Dora using the last time out. Gagamit sila ng 14 seconds. Malayo pa yan. 28 seconds pa eh. Ganyan, quick 2 lang yan. Quick 2 tas pa. Pero okay na yun. Alright, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. 14 seconds. Gagamit ng 14 seconds. Ang Dora. Wala na silang timeout. Dalawa pa timeout na sa ako. 38 seconds on the game lang. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Wala na shot clock. 22 seconds. Penalty na. Alright, oh yung kota ha, don't forget ha. 22 seconds! 22 seconds! Yung kota natin, mga brad ha. Okay. 50 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Alright. Congratulations to Samo winning over Dora Clinic. Final score 70-62. Oh, don't forget the quota. Sino best player? Best player si Rodel.